Recently, it looks like new management coming to Mogadishu port, and it's growing very fast. Coming international companies such like Permalines, Mediterranean Shipping Company, CMA CGM, and everybody like to have business with Mogadishu because it's a growing up market. Yeah, and I believe very soon everything will be fine in Mogadishu. Very nice people, everything okay. During months is cargo growing for Mogadishu, container growing. Also around 300 units we delivering every month. This is only our ship. 300 loaded containers we taking back empty, going back to Jebel Ali and bring it back. So easy, port is growing.